My name is Mike, and I'm going to go through how to add a advertisement into the monthly email that's going out to the buyer checking for recalls every month. As you should be aware, that the RecallChek service is not just a one-time report, it's actually ongoing for life to the client. And in the email that's sent out to the buyer each and every month that checks for new recalls on their property, they can actually see advertisements that you've set up. Now, this could be for different businesses that you may have as the inspector. Maybe you have a pest control company, for example, or a radon mitigation company, or anything else that you may want to market to your clients. You may have a contractor that you know really well in your market, and you want to refer business to him. We see a lot of that. So I'm going to kind of show you how you can set this up. It is a very easy process. So the first thing you're going to do is log into your RecallChek account. Then we're going to go to manage account, and then down into your email settings. And down below at the very bottom, you'll see this section here for creating a custom RecallChek ad. And you can easily set this up. The company, this is whatever you want to kind of call it. Maybe you have a radon mitigation company, and you're going to put your company as the radon team. You can turn this on and make it active or disabled at any time. You can also set this based on a monthly period or number of days from inspection. For example, we have some inspectors that are putting in some sort of link to their company back for 11 months after the inspection. So if you wanted to do that, you could simply select from the inspection date, you want this to start on the 11th month, right? Because 11 months after, when they get that email to call you, it's been a year since you've had your inspection with us type thing. You just set up the link where it's going to be clicked through to, and then you can decide if you're one of these inspectors that may operate in both US and Canada. You can select one or the other or both, and then you can pick where you want this positioned. You can either have this at the top of the email, in the middle, or at the bottom, and then you simply upload that image that would be shown. So you can create it very easily. I'm going to go back to the email settings, and I've actually added a few ads in here so we can do this. Let me preview what I've added already. So when we saw, you can select the ad to be at the top, the middle, or the bottom. So this is where the top would be, and this is just a sample email that's going out. And you can see that I have like a roofing contractors. I just uploaded a logo here, or an image, that this is actually clickable, and it will go right to wherever you want this link to go. Maybe it's to the roofing contractor's website. Maybe it's something that you set up on your inspection website to market, contractors in your area type thing. So, you decide on where that link goes to. And if we scroll down a little bit, you can see here, here's the middle ad. And again, all you're doing is putting an image here and then backlinking it to some place. And you get to decide and control where that place is. And then at the very bottom, obviously down here, you can put another ad here. So there's 3 placements for this ad. So what I'm going to do here is, once you've created an ad, then you can view these. And you can see here that I just created these 3 test ones: Appliance Paramedics, a mold remediation company, and Champion Roofing. Again, this is all made up stuff. You can see that these are all active, meaning that they're on true. You can see that I have these all from the date of the inspection, and then the position. So let's just say that I needed to change something for the Appliance Paramedics. We can simply come in here. We can change where this would go out to. You can change the backlink to where it's going to go to. You can upload a new image or whatever you would like to do. Once you've added this or changed this, you can open up that preview. Let me go back here, this preview flyer, and then it would open up the sample in your browser, and then you can see that change. You can click on the actual link to make sure it's working and things like that. Again, this is all tested up. So you can easily add these types of things to this email that's going out to buyers already. We actually have a way to view click-throughs, because maybe you would like to have, some relationship with a local company, and you could theoretically charge for this. You say, hey, I have done 1,000 inspections, and these clients are going to be getting emails. You may want to pay, have a deal where they pay you per click. You may want to have a deal where they pay you, $100 a month, and you're going to put this image that they give you, and it backlinks to their website. That's completely up to you on how you want to do this. I don't think a whole lot of people would actually charge a company to do that, but you could essentially do that if you wanted. That's obviously on your own, and you can actually see if any click-throughs come through. So you can see that we've kind of set up here, and these have been set up for a while, when they were clicked through, the dates, what property actually clicked through to one of those images on that email. If you have any questions about this, please don't hesitate to give our office a call. You can reach us 888-854-0798.